Hello and welcome to today's video on the topic of cryptocurrency. The future of money or a risky investment? Cryptocurrencies have been a hot topic in recent years, with many people investing in them and others warning of the potential risks. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of investing in cryptocurrency and discuss whether it is a viable future of money or simply a risky investment. Part 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It is decentralized, which means that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, it is based on a technology called blockchain, which is essentially a public ledger that records all transactions. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies available on the market. Some of the other popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Part 2. Pros of investing in cryptocurrency. There are several potential benefits of investing in cryptocurrency. One of the most significant benefits is the potential for high returns. Cryptocurrencies have been known to experience extreme volatility, which means that their value can increase or decrease rapidly. Some people have made significant profits by investing in cryptocurrency at the right time. Another benefit of investing in cryptocurrency is that it is decentralized. This means that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. This gives investors more control over their investments and can help protect against inflation. Finally, cryptocurrency is becoming more widely accepted as a form of payment. Many retailers are starting to accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which means that they could eventually become a more mainstream form of currency. Part 3. Cons of investing in cryptocurrency. Despite the potential benefits of investing in cryptocurrency, there are also several risks to consider. One of the most significant risks is volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their extreme price swings, which can make them a risky investment. It is important to remember that what goes up can also come down, and investors need to be prepared for the potential losses. Another risk to consider is the lack of regulation. Cryptocurrencies are not currently regulated by any government or financial institution, which means that investors may not have the same protections as they would with traditional investments. Finally, there is the risk of hacking and fraud. Cryptocurrencies are digital, which means that they can be vulnerable to hacking and cyber attacks. There have been several high-profile cases of cryptocurrency exchanges being hacked, resulting in millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency being stolen. Part 4. The future of cryptocurrency. So, what is the future of cryptocurrency? Some experts believe that it could eventually replace traditional currencies and become the future of money. Others are more skeptical and believe that it is simply a speculative investment that will eventually fade away. One potential factor that could impact the future of cryptocurrency is government regulation. Some governments are starting to regulate cryptocurrencies, which could provide more stability and protection for investors. However, others may try to ban cryptocurrencies altogether. Another factor to consider is the development of new technologies. Blockchain technology is constantly evolving, which could lead to new and innovative uses for cryptocurrencies. Part 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency can be both a potentially lucrative opportunity and a risky investment. It is important for investors to carefully consider the potential benefits and risks before investing. It is also important to remember that cryptocurrencies are a relatively new technology and that their future is uncertain. Ultimately, whether or not cryptocurrency is the future of money or a risky investment depends on a variety of factors, including government regulation, technological advancements, and market forces. Only time will tell how cryptocurrencies will evolve and impact the world of finance. I think it's enough for today's video. I hope you gained some knowledge. If you gained some knowledge, then make sure to hit like and subscribe button. We will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.